Hi everybody, Dr. Bryton here for Two Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about toothpaste. We addressed it a couple times in the past, but we've had some questions here recently about the right types of toothpaste and what we recommend, and so I want to go into it a little bit deeper. First things first, I want to talk about the purpose of toothpaste. So toothpaste does a couple of things. One, it does have a couple of angles to it that actually help to kill bacteria, but its primary, vast majority of its purpose and primary function is to provide fluoride. It's the vesicle, or it's the vehicle by which we provide fluoride to the teeth. That's the primary function of it. And so I want to start by saying that. It's the means by which we can actually apply fluoride to the teeth at home. So from there, the first toothpaste I want to get into is Tom's. The reason being is many people use Tom's because they have a fluoride-free version of toothpaste. And that's actually kind of how it became popular. People that didn't want fluoride in their toothpaste started using it. I will tell patients that they're using Tom's, first and foremost, I do not recommend it if you're using a fluoride-free one. I definitely recommend fluoride. But if you're going to use Tom's, I also look at you and say, what's the point? Why not just use your toothbrush with water rather than wasting the money on the toothpaste? So I want to address that and just say that in general, Tom's, in my opinion, doesn't serve a real function, and you could be just wasting money on it. So first thing I wanted to address. From there, I want to talk about whitening toothpaste. You have a lot of people that ask about whitening toothpaste. Whitening toothpaste can be wonderful in helping you, whiten your teeth to some degree. However, there's a little bit of a drawback to that. Most of them have an aspect to them that actually abrades the tooth and literally kind of like sands it to some degree and sands off the stain from your tooth, and that's how it whitens. And so you want to be really cautious about using those. Again, I don't really recommend them. Now that being said, Crest has come out with one that they claim doesn't have that effect to it, and so it could be a viable option that will give you some degree of whitening when you're brushing your teeth. So that's an option. From there, I want to show you what we do recommend on a regular basis. This is Crest, their cavity protection. This is basically their regular paste. This is the good old-fashioned Crest. It works great. Has all the fluoride we want in it, and it does its job. It's also probably one of the cheaper ones, so it's kind of like, why not? And this is what we recommend. This is what I personally use. In addition to that, they got a kids version, and we also prefer and recommend this for all of our pediatrics and our own kids. So just wanted to show you some of these. Now last but not least, I also want to mention a prescription tooth gel. This one gets a special kind of, I'm going to show you, and there's different kinds of prescription tooth gel. But for those of you that have been recommended this is critical. It has about 4 to 5 times much fluoride in it. And the reason it was recommended is because it's looking to help prevent the onset of cavities, because you're higher risk for developing cavities. That's why we recommend it. And this is critical stuff. I even use this at nighttime. So I use my Crest cavity protection in the morning, and I use this at nighttime. I'm higher risk for the development of cavities because I grew up on well water. So wanted to go over a couple of these things. Hopefully those are helpful tips for you. If you have questions about toothpaste, get a hold of us, message below. We love to comment in front of everybody so everyone can see it. Just wanted to discuss toothpaste. So hopefully that was helpful for you. If you think you can share it and help somebody else, please do so. Have a great rest of your week. Thank you so much. Take care.